it's Sam from Raggedy Bits. I'm going to share with you today how to make a really easy Easter sign. Just using some scrap wood that I had left over from another project in the garage, and you can make it home too. So if you watched my YouTube video about staining wood using different styles of paint, I used Fusion Coal Black on this one here. I used Fusion Chocolate on this one. I used Sweet Pickings Milk Paint Candy Bar on that one, and I used Miss Mustard Seed Curio on this one. So as you can see, there are such beautiful colours to use as stains on raw wood or furniture that you want to stain, and all, you know, sort of add that extra layer of warmth coming through when you distress. So I'm going to be using to paint the signs, Fusion, part of their little top range, because they're all beautiful, yummy pastel colours which are perfect for Easter. So we've got Little Piggy, Little Whale, and then Speckled Frog and Little Stork. So I'm just going to go ahead and give each sign a coat of paint. One thing I forgot to mention was that we need to put down the wax first, because we want to distress. And also leave let the wood come through with the stain, so that it doesn't go all the way back to the wood. That was silly on me. But anyway, so just go ahead quickly and just rub it where you want the wood to come through. Keep doing that. As you can see, it's gone on a little tiny weeny bit heavy there for my liking, but what I'll do is I'll let that dry, and then I will sand it back a little bit to fade it back out again. Okay. So just load it back up again. Okay, so for these next two, I'm going to use the IOD chippy paint one, and I'm just going to freehand this over the two signs. It just basically gives like a faux chippy look, if you like. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull these off and get stamping. Stamp the finished design onto the rest of the signs. I've just laid out this particular design facing the stamp down, And then I'm just going to grab the transfer sheets, which I've basically just stuck together with, they come on top of your stamp and I've just stuck it together with painter's tape. So we just pop that down on top of the design, run your hand over the top so that the stamp adheres. Flip it over, load up your brayer, and then flip it back over. Line your design up. I eyeball everything, but you're more than welcome to, at this point, use a tape measure or a ruler to line up your design. And then you just drop, holding with one hand and then gently pushing over your stamp. And there you have a really easy Easter sign to make. I will just distress that now, just a little bit, not too much, and then I will just apply some wax over the top. I'll probably use Miss Mustard Seed beeswax. And then you're done. You have them all finished up. Some of them are a little bit more detailed than others, but it just goes to show you the possibilities of what you can do with paint and a little bit of stamping. For watching today. I hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial on how to make an Easter sign. I'll be sure to leave a link below with all the products that I used and the blog post also. And don't forget to subscribe for future DIYs. Thanks for watching.